Aorta. Aorta is arised from the left ventricle. It has three parts: ascending aorta, arch of the aorta, descending thoracic aorta. They are large artery or elastic artery. The branches of the ascending aorta is right coronary artery and left coronary artery. The branches of the arch of the aorta from right to left, this is brachiocephalic trunk, this is left common carotid artery, and this is left subclavian artery. The brachiocephalic trunk, which is situated in the right side, it's again divided into two parts. In the right side, right subclavian artery, and left side, right carotid artery, right common carotid artery.